Garlic is one of the most reliable crops you can grow, but strong bulbs do not happen by accident. Good results start long before planting, with proper preparation and simple preventative steps that many gardeners skip. When garlic is planted correctly and protected early, it grows stronger, resists stress better, and produces cleaner, healthier heads. Spring planting can still give decent yields, even though they are usually smaller than fall-planted garlic. The most important step is choosing firm, undamaged cloves from large bulbs. Any clove that feels soft or shows signs of mold should be discarded immediately. Garlic prefers an open, sunny location with loose, fertile soil. Fresh manure should be avoided because it increases moisture and encourages disease. After planting, lightly cover the soil or apply straw mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. If frost is expected, a breathable garden cover helps protect young growth. Water moderately because garlic does not tolerate excess moisture, especially during bulb formation. Garlic is often attacked by onion fly, garlic fly, nematodes, aphids, moth larvae, and leaf-eating insects. These pests can seriously reduce yields if cloves are planted without protection. That is why treating cloves naturally before planting is one of the smartest things you can do, using simple ingredients already available at home or in the garden. In this video, we show 3 easy and proven soaking methods that strengthen garlic and help repel pests. The process is quick, safe, and chemical-free. The first method uses nettle tea, which acts as both a mild disinfectant and a plant strengthener. Nettle is rich in minerals and natural compounds that improve plant immunity and make garlic less attractive to insects. To prepare it, add 1 tablespoon of dried nettle to half a liter of hot water and let it steep for 12 to 24 hours, or briefly boil it and let it cool. Strain the liquid, place the cloves inside, and soak them for 1 to 2 hours before planting. The second method is a simple salt solution, mainly used to reduce surface pathogens and insect eggs. Salt helps because it dehydrates harmful microorganisms and pests without damaging the clove when used correctly. Dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in half a liter of lukewarm water, stir well, and soak the cloves for 30 minutes to 1 hour. After soaking, rinse lightly with clean water and plant immediately. The final option is wood ash, which works as a natural mineral supplement and protective treatment. Ash contains potassium and calcium that strengthen garlic tissue, while also discouraging nematodes and certain insects. Mix 1 small teaspoon of fine ash into half a liter of lukewarm water and soak the cloves for 1 to 2 hours before planting. These same treatments can also be used for onions. For additional protection, plant garlic near carrots, mint, or celery, as their scent helps confuse pests. Later in the season, natural sprays made from nettle, chili, neem, tobacco, or plant-based oils can be used if needed. Friends, let us know where you're watching from and whether you grow garlic. We love reading your experiences. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be sure to check out the next video appearing on your screen. Warm regards.